purchasing PlayStation Plus on your phone is incredibly simple. Today, I'll walk you through the process. If you haven't already, download and install the PlayStation app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and log in to your PSN account. Once logged in, navigate to the Store tab within the app. In the store, locate the PlayStation Plus section or search for it directly. Choose the PlayStation Plus membership plan you wish to purchase. Options include 1 month, 3 months, or 12 months. Follow the prompts to complete the purchase using your preferred payment method. You may need to enter your payment details or use a method already associated with your PSN account. Upon completion, you should receive confirmation of your PlayStation Plus membership. Alternatively, you can purchase it using the PlayStation Store website. Open a web browser on your phone and visit store.playstation.com. Log into your PSN account and navigate to the PlayStation Plus section. Select your desired membership plan and add it to your cart. Proceed to checkout and follow the prompts to complete the purchase. Once done, you'll receive confirmation of your PlayStation Plus membership.